welcome to the channel. So here is the problem access control. So as the problem is stated, we have the solution for it as follows. So for the second problem, we have the solution as follows. Taking the input, then number of swipes. If I was 1, swipe was kept x. Else means if I is 0, then number of swipe is decreased. And in any case, if swipe becomes less than equal to 0, we keep flag equal to 1 and break, and if flag we output no, else we output yes, and all this runs in the main. So this was the solution. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment. Thanks for watching.